The driver was Aaron Shelton, along with his cousin Pierre. Shelton was in the passenger seat driving car at about 100 miles an hour with a gun. It happened on April 12, 2021, in Carroll County, Georgia, west of Atlanta. That's where a Georgia State Patrol trooper stopped a Nissan Sentra driving more than 100 miles an hour along the interstate. The driver was Aaron Shelton, along with his cousin Pierre. When the trooper gets out to approach the Nissan, it speeds off. But they were waiting for the trooper to come close. As soon as the trooper came close, as dash camera video shows the initial chase, as Aaron Shelton attempts to outrun the trooper. But soon the trooper able to come parallel to Aaron's car. Initially, trooper marks the suspect's car and taps it as it drives along. The car veers out of frame before straightening out. Once again, next Pierre Shelton can be seen from the passenger side of the Nissan, pulling out an AK47. As the chase continues, multiple other units respond to the call, including county sheriff's deputies and local police. Carrollton Police Sergeant Rob Holloway can be heard on body camera video calling out instructions during the chase.
Back off just a little. We're going to follow at this distance. Dispatch, we're going 60 miles an hour. Bankhead Highway, we're passing Barnes Store. Get Villarica set up, spikes at Bay Springs.
Buffalo with some kind of A-frame, something up under it. Definitely an AR stop.
Hey, just make sure we're backed off just enough, okay? I'm going to try to turn on my scene lights. Dispatch, we are going about 90 miles an hour. We are coming up on Old Airport Road.
But just after shots started firing towards Holloway.
They're hitting their brakes. I'm waiting to see what they're about to do. Chief went back off of them.
229, you got Grand V Connor. You ain't got to worry about spikes.
I know, but I don't want to get up here where they're moving around. I'd rather just go ahead and disable them.
The bullet hit directly in his head, and he crashed his car. Another troop car approaching filmed this crash. Another troop car approaching filmed this crash.
4, unit 10-3, 1033.
229, somebody check on 229.
All the troops now started the operation. This video is shown from Chase Gordy, who also responded to the scene. Gordy can be seen taking cover in front of his squad car as shots ring out in the distance. Soon, gunshots are fired directly at Gordy. Gordy can be seen calling for help as the gunfire continues. For only 2 seconds, a suspect is seen in front of the squad car, gun in hand.
He's on my car, he's on my car! He's behind my car!
3 first responders were shot and injured. Gordy Holloway and Deputy J. Redo Pierre Shelton also died in the incident. Aaron Shelton was arrested and indicted on 22 counts, including felony murder, felony fleeing, and aggravated assault of law enforcement officers. He was later convicted and sentenced to life in prison.